Hi friends, this video shows how to check and download and install software update. First go to settings, select settings, then go to right side, then select all settings. Select all settings, then go down, then select support, then select software update, then select update now. Now it's checking for update, so please wait. It would take some time. So it says latest version. There are no new updates for you right now because I already updated it. That is why it's showing latest version. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install if update is available. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.